again. I'm here again, guys. And wow, I'm so excited again to give you another reaction video for today, okay? And by the way, I'm Jayson and I'm your reactor here in this channel. Alright, so for today's video, guys, this is a request again of my friends from Manipur, Northeast India. Alright, she wants me to react this kind of music, a music that was so very beautiful music. Nangbu Pakhanglo, that was the title of this music, and starring Silheiba. Wow, one of my favorite artists, actor, and Roshni, Arvin and Chitra. Maybe this is the singer here, and this is a movie song. Wow, this is a movie song, guys. Yeah, the title of this movie is IMOINU 2, official movie song released 2022. Oh, that was a new movie, guys. Yeah, the singer is Arvin and Chitra. Whew. Are you excited, guys? Let's start. Oh, no. Before we start again, guys, you know that one. Guys, please help me to reach that 6,000 subscribers, guys. So, for those new to my channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel first and hit that notification bell for me, because that was so very important, guys, for you to be updated always on my next reaction video like this. If you want to request your music, go on, guys, just comment down below on my comment section. Alright, so here we go, guys. Let's start our reaction video. Let's use our green or apple green hat. Oh, Silheiba. Wow! Wow! What a voice by Chitra! She is Roshni, right? But I don't know the last name of Roshni. She's so beautiful, guys! Wow! Look at her skin! Wow! She's so white! Wow, Silheiba, my best friend. Woo. Wow. Woo. Wow. I like the rhythm of this song. Wow, Silheiba. Yeah, Nangbu. There's so part of fun here. Wow. She's so beautiful, guys. Roshni. How she's pretty, guys. I like her face. Wow. Wow. Ah! The quality of voice! Wow, that was, I'm so addicted, guys. No, Nangbu Pakhanglo, Nangbu Pakhanglo. Yeah! Oh, that's all! Finish! Oh, that's the end of this song. It's very short. Wow. It's so very short, guys. Nangbu Pakhanglo. Nangbu Pakhanglo. Nangbu Pakhanglo. What's the meaning of Nangbu Pakhanglo? Wow. Whew. Very, very amazing. Very, very good performance. Very nice song. Wow. It's so amazing, guys. Silheiba. Very smart, guys. Roshni. Wow, this is my first time to see her. She's so pretty, guys. And you know her face. She looks like an angel. And her skin, so white, guys. Roshni is she's so famous now. I just wanna ask, like Sumalaisra, Balahejam, Beju, who else? I have so many artists, ladies I know, guys, but Roshni is my first time to see her in this music. So I just wanna, I am so entertained this girl, guys. I just wanna entertain her from for the next music. Okay, I so entertaining this kind of artist, Roshni. All right, so did you happy, guys? Did you feel the music? Nangbu Pakhanglo. All right, so guys, I just want to share this, guys. I just want to share this money for musics to all of you guys, for those new watching right now, guys. Okay, just to hear the music of this country or this state, money for state, guys. There are a lot of music that you will enjoy, that you will feel the meaning of this music. Some of the viewers, they always asking, did you understand what they say? Did you understand what they song? What they sing? I mean, I just wanna answer. Even though I'm not, I didn't understand the lyrics. The most important here, I can feel the song. I enjoy the music. That's all only. And I love the artists of Money for Northeast India. The all artists there. Okay, so that's it only, guys. Just to enjoy what you have done to your music. Okay, the most important here are you support them. Okay, and what else? You help them to spread the music to one another to any countries. Is that correct, guys? Guys, I'm telling you the truth. I'm not so good in English, but for me, if what I'm going to say, I was saying, guys, because I'm not American, I'm not British, that very expert to speak in English. But did you understand what I mean? Oh. Alright, guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy my reaction video. Okay, and see you in my next reaction video. What else? Oh, guys, please, I'm begging you, help me to to reach the 6,000 subscribers, guys. And guys, I have one to tell you. I want one important to tell you. If you want to shout out your name, for those who are watching right now, guys, if you want to shout out your name or you want to use my sticker, guys, I have a join button in my channel. If you help me, guys, to buy like this, because this one, it's broken already. See, see my headset. I just borrowed to my friends. I just want to buy some new, but I can't buy it. I don't have money. Guys, I mean, if you want to be a part of my team, Geraldix TV, just join. Just click the button below on my channel, guys. The join button bell there. Is that a bell? Join button, and choose what do you want to join it, guys. Alright, so yeah, that's it for today, and see you in my next reaction video, guys. I love you, and take care to all of you. Take care always, and God bless you. Bye bye.